What if I told you AI is about to change how you earn a living forever? The old rules of work are being rewritten, right now, in real time. Are you ready to adapt, or risk being left behind? Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about how AI is changing the way we make money right now. Forget sci-fi, AI is rewriting the rules of earning a living, and it's happening fast. The old 9-to-5 is being replaced by new AI-powered income streams. But with disruption comes opportunity. This video is your guide to getting ahead, not left behind. We'll break down how you can use AI tools, often with little money or experience, to create new revenue, from side hustles to automated passive income. Let's dive in. Let's get real. AI is shaking up the job market, and it's not just about robots on factory floors. Customer service, data entry, even creative work like writing and design. AI is taking over tasks once thought safe. Self-driving tech is set to transform transportation and logistics. Content creation, AI can now write, design, and even compose music. The value of repetitive human labor is dropping fast. This isn't a slow change, it's exponential. What's impossible for AI today could be standard in 6 months. The real skill now? Directing and leveraging these systems, not just doing the tasks yourself. The takeaway? Don't fear the change, understand it, and use it to your advantage. The future belongs to those who adapt. Let's see how. Here's the flip side. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ways to earn. People are launching businesses from their laptops using tools like ChatGPT for copywriting, brainstorming, and coding. Visual tools like Midjourney and DALL-E let anyone create and sell digital art or branding, no design degree needed. AI video tools can turn long podcasts into viral clips for social media, all automatically. These side hustles are about leverage. AI does the heavy lifting so you can scale your output and income. The barrier to entry for creative work is gone. You don't need years of training, just the right prompts and ideas. The result? More people than ever are building income streams with minimal investment. Let's look at how to make it passive. Passive income is no longer a dream. AI automation makes it real. Set up AI systems and your business can run 24/7, decoupling your time from your income. Take faceless YouTube channels. AI writes scripts, generates voiceovers, and edits videos automatically. Social media? AI creates and schedules posts, analyzes trends, and grows your audience while you sleep. E-commerce? AI finds trending products, writes descriptions, and handles customer service. Email marketing? Fully automated, personalized, and optimized by AI. The goal: build an ecosystem of AI tools that handle daily operations so you focus on strategy and profits. This is the new model for earning. Set it up once. Let it run and watch your income grow. Automation is the ultimate leverage, and now anyone can do it. Worried you're not a tech expert? You don't have to be. AI has demolished the skill barrier. No coding or data science required. No-code and low-code platforms let anyone build websites, analyze data, or launch businesses with simple interfaces. Tools like Durable AI can create a full website in seconds. Just enter your business name and type. The real skill now is creative direction and strategic thinking, not technical know-how. This democratization means anyone with an idea and internet access can compete. Your edge is your creativity and ability to combine tools to solve problems. The playing field is level, prompt well, and you can outperform even the most technical pros. The future belongs to creative thinkers, not just coders. Let's see where these new skills are opening doors. Opportunity is everywhere. AI is creating new roles across every industry, not just tech. In finance, AI trading strategists use smart tools to spot market trends and test strategies. Healthcare needs AI data specialists to interpret diagnostic data and bridge tech with clinical teams. Education is seeing AI curriculum developers personalize learning for students. Entertainment, AI-powered virtual influencers and creators are building brands and landing sponsorships. New freelance roles, AI copywriters, video editors, business consultants, are popping up daily. Human-AI collaboration is the new normal. The list of opportunities keeps growing. Here's the hard truth. AI won't take your job, but someone using AI will. If you're slow, you'll be outpaced by those who use AI to work faster and smarter. Designers, writers, marketers. If you're not leveraging AI, you're competing against those who are. This is the new Darwinism: survival of the most adaptable. Learning AI isn't optional. It's essential for staying relevant and competitive. Don't be the scribe after the printing press. Embrace the change. Use AI to amplify your skills and income. The future rewards the adaptable. Let's get practical. Here are tools you can use right now. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral social clips, captions included. Pictory, paste a script, and it builds a full video with stock footage and AI voiceover. Durable AI. Instantly create a professional website for your business idea. Synthesia. Generate videos with AI avatars for training, tutorials, or marketing. And of course, ChatGPT, your brainstorming partner, scriptwriter, and content generator. Use these tools to launch side hustles, automate content, and build your online presence. Most have free trials. Experiment and see what fits your goals. Mastering these is high leverage for the new economy. The toolkit is here. Start building. Now, it's your move. Here's the bottom line. AI is here and it's only getting stronger. The future of earning is about leverage, using systems, not just hours, to make money. Early adopters will build new wealth and freedom by learning these tools now. Ignore it, and you risk falling behind as your skills lose value. This is a fork in the road. Be an observer or be a participant. Ride the wave or get swept away. The tools are accessible, the cost is low, and the upside is huge. The time to start is now. Your future is in your hands. That's how AI is changing income forever. Don't fear it, embrace it. Pick a tool. Pictory, Durable ChatGPT, and spend 30 minutes exploring. The first step is the hardest, but it's the key to unlocking new opportunities. What excites you most? Drop a comment below and let's talk. If you found value here, hit like and subscribe for more smart income ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.